for a van that blends luxury, power, and performance? The GMC Savana Yukon Denali is not your average ride. This beast is built to impress families, businesses, and adventurers alike. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today we're diving into the GMC Savana Yukon Denali, a name that carries serious weight in the world of high-performance vans. If you're in the market for a rugged yet luxurious van, this one is worth your full attention. Let's start with the design. The Savana Yukon Denali carries a bold, professional appearance. Its wide grille with signature chrome accents screams Denali-level refinement. The LED headlights add a modern touch, and its muscular body reflects true GMC DNA, tough yet classy. Under the hood, this van doesn't disappoint. Depending on your configuration, you're looking at a powerful 6.6-liter V8 engine or a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel. These engines deliver the perfect mix of horsepower and torque. Ideal for towing, hauling, or cross-country road trips. It feels more like an SUV than a cargo van when you hit the road. Now step inside and the Denali luxury speaks for itself. Leather-appointed seating, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and real wood accents create a premium environment. The cabin is quiet thanks to active noise cancellation, and the driver's area is designed for comfort and command. Technology in the Yukon Denali is top tier. It comes equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and an available rear seat entertainment system. Multiple USB ports, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and premium Bose audio mean everyone rides in comfort and style. Safety is also a priority. The Yukon Denali trim includes advanced driver assistance features, like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, blind spot monitoring, rear park assist, and a rear vision camera. For families or professionals, this adds peace of mind on every journey. Cargo and space. The GMC Savana Yukon Denali offers impressive versatility. Whether you're transporting passengers, tools, gear, or luggage, the rear configuration options make it extremely adaptable. You get sliding or swing-out doors, tie-downs, and customizable seating layouts that make it perfect for both business and leisure. Fuel economy isn't best in class, but with the power and capability it offers, it's more than acceptable. Drivers looking for torque and utility often accept the trade-off for what this van delivers. To sum it up, the GMC Savana Yukon Denali is the ultimate blend of utility and luxury. It's powerful, comfortable, tech-packed, and capable of handling serious tasks, while still treating its passengers to a refined ride. Whether you're running a business, hauling the family, or seeking a van that offers more than just cargo space, this Denali edition proves a van can be just as premium as any SUV. Don't overlook it. This one's a hidden gem in the automotive world.